Hey everyone, I have met with several students and received a couple of questions regarding section 6.2 number 16, and I wanted to do a brief explanation of this particular topic. So the question itself says that we want to use the unit circle to determine the cotangent of my version is cotangent of 25 pi over 2. So this particular problem relies on a couple bits of knowledge. The first one is the relationship between the trig functions. So remember that if you're dealing with the unit circle, then the sine of the angle that you're referring to is equal to the y coordinate on the unit circle. The cosine of the angle is the x coordinate. If you are looking for the tangent of the angle, it's y over x or sine over cosine. If you're looking for the cosecant, it's 1 over y or 1 over sine. The secant, 1 over cosine or 1 over x. And the cotangent of whatever it is x over y, 1 over tangent. So if I'm looking for the cotangent of an angle, then what I need is the coordinates of that. And I have 25 pi over 2, which remember if we're talking about radians, the unit circle goes around to 2 pi, but then it continues on, so I can find a coterminal angle that has a higher count just by counting around the circle. So this point here is 0, pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, or pi, 3 pi over 2. Continuing on, we get to 2 pi, or 4 pi over 2. I want 25 pi over 2. So I'm going to be moving around the circle again. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we would again end up at 11 pi over 2. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25 finally. So we could have actually subtracted 4 pi over 2 or 2 pi from that until we get between 0 and 2 pi. Takes less counting that way, but either way, you get to the same pi over 2 location. So this is coterminal. Pi over 2 is coterminal with 25 pi over 2, which means that all of these unit circle angles are the measures for their trig functions are going to be the same. So if I am looking at this, the coordinate of this point is the point 0, 1. So we're 0 in the x direction, 1 in the y direction, and I'm going to use this 0, 1 in order to find those functions. Now it's only asking me for cotangent, but we'll go through all of them because you could be asked for any of them. So if I wanted sine of 25 pi over 2, then it's equal to the y value here, so I have 1. The cosine of 25 pi over 2 is the x coordinate, which is 0. Tangent of 25 pi over 2 is y over x, so I have 1 over 0. 0 on the bottom means that it's undefined. So tangent is not defined on that 90-degree pi over 2 angle. So moving on, cosecant of theta, which is 25 pi over 2. Is equal to 1 over the y value, so 1 over 1 gives me 1. Secant 25 pi, yeah, that's messy. 1 over 0 means that it's undefined. And lastly, cotangent 25 pi over 2. This is our x over y, so 0 over 1 gives me 0. So this is the reason why it works, and going through, what I want is 0 for this one, and we can check our solution. Well done. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm happy to help or arrange an appointment, and have a great day.